Shilagere. A very good afternoon to you all. Welcome to the 29th edition Shiri Lily Cup National Level Football Tournament. We are playing below the majestic Shiri Lily, Shiri Big, abode of the Shiri Lily flower, the state flower of Manipur. We are into the fourth quarter final. A team coming all the way from Nagaland state to participate in this prestigious cup that is Shiri Lily Cup. Let's welcome New Market FC. Yarezai Korana, New Market FC Ubang Pangakshi Kapemise. And we have a team coming all the way from Pishanbur, Imphal, that is Kano Library and Sporting Association. A big round of applause for Klasa also. Achiwi, fourth quarter final he. New Market FC Nagaland versus Kano Library and Sporting Association. Pishanbur District winner team kanihina. Achiwi quarter final hing reo migi kichine. Klasa team was established in the year 1972. District champion more than 5 times, 12 MSL runner-up, 14 MSL ongoing Pool A, second position in League A. Achiwi December 1st weekly, 14 Manipur State League he hobok liaura. Kala Kupsang Gai, Krewi Kupsang Gai, Shiri Lily Cup de Laka, Ashi runner-up team Akasada Leda Kleine. Achiwi quarter finally. Klasana, New Market FC Ling, Ryogi Kichine. Today, the team is 45 years of existence and is one of the oldest surviving football clubs of Nagaland. New Market football team Kohima established in the year 1977. Following its participation in Sir C.R. Pausi Trophy since then, the team has been consistently participating in all the major tournaments organized in the district and state. The team has been in a Springport, which has provided many players the opportunity to represent the state team, which has brought many laurels to the state. It is also to be mentioned that few players has even represented the country and also found prominence in the top football club of our country. The New Market team, over the 3 decades of holistic football experience, be it participation or management, speaks volume about the credential and reputation of the New Market football team. New Market FC with short profile name.
A very good afternoon one and all, and welcome once again to the fourth and the final quarter-final match between New Markets Football Club and Klasa Football Club. Of course, Trau, Shillong Lajong and AIM have all booked their berths in the semi-finals, and these 2 teams will be vying for the final spot in the last 4. Manipur, of course, trashed Nagaland 3-0 in the ongoing Santosh zonal qualifiers this weekend, and the team from Nagaland, New Market FC, will be looking to exact revenge on the team from Manipur. So it is not just a spot in the semi-final that is at stake. There is so much more on the line in this match. New Market, clad in an all-orange kit, have lined up in a 4-3-3 formation. Awonmi starts between the sticks with Kevisale, Orlando, Davieco and Purni making up the back 4. The midfield 3 is comprised of Asito, Kent and Harkland, with Nithang, Camp and Johnny playing up front for New Market. Klasa, in their traditional bright yellow kit, have gone for a 4-2-3-1 formation with Sanaton starting in goal. Samananta, Rajkumar, Amit and Jim make up the back 4. Kishan and Lunminden Haukip are the two midfield pivots, while Thanachandra, Hilen, Soraism and Ronald are the front four. Bernie for Kohima. Asito, Soraism, Kishan back to Samananda, Kishan for Klasa. Intercepted by Nithang. Nithang plays it for Kent. Kent's looking for the run of Nithang again. Nithang. Good ball in. It's a team effort from Kent. It was a good chance for Newmarket. In the end, the headed effort from Sinlo Kent to team, and well collected by Sanaton. Tavieco with Len Haukip, and Kevisali concedes a throw in. Amit to take another one of his long throws again. We saw one of Amit's long throw converted against Pasi. It was the throw from Amit that led to the goal, that led to the winning goal for Klasa in the pre-quarter final match against Pasi. But it's well defended by Newmarket. Now Bernie going head to head with Samananda. Samananda is strong, but Bernie wins a throw-in of Samananda. Bernie in for Asito. Asito, nice touch back to Hanglen. Hanglen gets it back again. Hanglen, time on the ball, plays it inward to Asito. Asito plays it to Sinlo Kent, who had that chance in the opening exchange.
Archery, fourth quarter-final way, match officials being Kashsemige, C.H. Siamson in the referee ne, Lovejoy Horam, assistant referee, A.S. Livingstone, assistant referee, Machu Kashung, fourth official, match commissioner he, Mr. Unganing Kashung, Kala, referee assessor he, James Kumar.
Newmarket player is protesting a free kick that has been awarded just outside the box. Klasa with a chance to deliver a meaningful cross on this free kick, about 25 yards out from goal. Lunmin Haukip to take this one. Of course, he didn't play in the first game. Was not in the squad for the first game as well, but he has started this one. Len, it's up and over the wall and over the crossbar.
A very good afternoon to you all. We are into the fourth quarter final. A team traveling all the way from Nagaland to participate in this prestigious cup, that is Shri Lily Cup. Let's welcome the Newmarket FC, Nagaland. They are playing against a highly decorated club from Imphal, Pishanbur district, that is Kenau Library and Sporting Association, one of the oldest club in Manipur. And Newmarket FC, as one of the oldest club of Nagaland, both the team with the experience, we will be witnessing a summit clash between this team, that is the Klasa and the Newmarket FC. The winner of this match will play against Trau, who has registered a win over the Yarkok United FC.
Bernie. Bernie in for Asito. Asito, an experienced campaigner from Nagaland, deadly on the set piece with his left foot. Johnny loses it out. Tanajandra plays it straight to Nithang. Nithang now. Nithang still. Nithang looking for Camp. Has Johnny on the far post all alone, but he has fired that over the crossbar. Had time to take the shot on, had the space as well, but he cannot put his shot on the underside of the crossbar. Instead it goes flying off the crossbar. That's two chances for Newmarket that they have squandered in the game so far. Hilem for Len. Len heads it straight out for a throw-in for Newmarket. He complains to Hilem, saying the ball should have been played in his butt rather than on his head. Kevisale. Sinlo. Hangleng looking for a foul. High put from a Klasa midfielder, but referee says play on. Amit Soraisam is interested, but the ball runs out of play. Ronald leaves it for Hilem. Hilem plays it back to Ronald again. Ronald's on the right channel, back to Hilem. Hilem twists and turns and in turn gets the ball out of play. Kevisele to Sinlo Kent. Kent again for Nithang. A bit of clattering on the back of Nithang, and the referee blows his whistle. Asito looking for the run of Johnny, but Johnny shows Samananda at the back, and it is a foul for Klasa. Samananda had a brilliant game against Pasi. It's one of the most attacking players for Klasa in that game. He will be looking to have the same kind of impact in this game again. Samananda again with a clearance that goes out for a throw-in for Newmarket. Purney. Purney. Johnny out muscling Samananda, but cleared by Klasa. Back in again by Newmarket. Nithang to Asito. Asito can hit one with his left foot, but has scruffed that one. Joy Kishan Singh comes over with the ball, passes it to Soraisam. Soraisam back to Samananda. Samananda to Kishan. Kishan with ample time on the ball finds Tanachandra, who was trying to lift the ball for Hilem, but it rolls all the way back to Awomi. Sinlo where the ball had gone. Hangling back to Sinlo Kent. Sinlo looking for the run off Johnny. It's a good ball. Johnny looks for the cross, but it's blocked by Amit. Johnny again. Johnny. Disappointing delivery once again. Cleared by the skipper Rajkumar. Now Klasa on the counter. It's Len. Len all alone with Orlando. Len cuts coast past a few defenders, but it is finally intercepted by Kevin Saleh, the left back who was coming in to help out his centre backs. Now Newmarket again. Sinlo Kent looking for the run off Nithong on the flank, but it's intercepted.
Issue is security being a long way building a tungli. Yang da clay bing jili kaga sham dam yaulo. He vows a naire. How kapok zimik shoina football jili mi yang mialu crown alungli sangbom laga yang room sir sida jishachwan kaine. China security being a Ari katagwa alungli kaga sham dam siraulo Chewi risi ishimukiramara. China iwi vow the clay shaga tamkul now sere ninghak lakina crown alungli sangbom laga itumi football in room sir sigi organizing committee wakina saklakina pil kasane baushon the delay yang high but luckily security being the like niching rather chiki yang sang miaulo
Hilem. Back to Jim. Jim. Bit of a wayward pass that is intercepted by Newmarket. Now, Kemp falls as he took control of the ball, but recovers to win back the ball again. With space, Asito tries to get a run through. It's brought down by Class A midfielder. Now, Ronald out wide for Len. Len has the pace to beat Davieco, but cannot outrun the ball, and in the end it's gone out for a goal kick for Newmarket. Balanced start so far to the game. Newmarket seeing more of the ball. Class are looking to strike on the counter, but Class are now have the ball in. Saraisam plays it back to Samananda. Samananda once again to Amit. Class are trying to be very patient with the build-up of play here. Awanme comes out to collect.
The Newmarket FC had a few good chances in the opening first half, opening 10 minutes, but they were not able to capitalize the chances that they got it from the left flank. The Klasa is coming back to the game, but the well-organized team from the Newmarket FC is not giving a chance to the Klasa strikers.
Kemp with a flick on. Johnny chases, but it's cleared by Rajkumar Robin, the skipper for Klasa. Now Saraisam back to Amit. Amit finds Tanachandra with a scorching ball on the left flank. Tanachandra back to Ronald lays it off for Kishan Singh, and Kishan fires his shot wide. Got a bit of play and passing by Amit, the centre back there, found the run of Tanachandra, and Klasa are not able to make more of the chance that they had, with Kishan skying that shot. Kishan again. Expert play from the experienced Orlando, who lets the ball roll back to the keeper Awami. Now Kevisale. Ball intercepted by Jim. Prevents the ball from getting to Lunmin Len, and it's a throw in for Klasa.
We are seeing a low scoring match in this tournament. 5 matches has been completed, but we see only United Pradesh scoring 2 goals in a match between the
Punggye,
Punggye FC. So hopefully for the football loving fans,
foul there from Thanachandra and Awonmi.
this match will be a very high scoring game. That is what we're expecting from this match today. This is the fourth quarter final.
We hope so, but we've seen Newmarket already letting by 2 great chances to get their noses ahead in the game. Hopefully the quality of finishing in the game will be higher than we've seen in the previous matches. Asito now. Asito. Full of running to Kent. Kevisali holding back Hilem. It's a foul. Jim looking for the run of Len Haukip. Len wanted the ball played on the second post rather than the front post. At least that was a signal to Jim, but Kohima, Newmarket from Kohima have the ball, they lose it again. Nisang concedes a throw in. Now Kishan plays it out wide for Soraisam. Samananda had made the overlapping run, but Soraisam plays it back to Kishan, who rolls it back, lets the ball go between his feet, back to Jim. Now with Amit to Samananda inside again for Kishan for Rajkumar to Len Haukip, back to Kishan to Amit again. Slow, patient build-up play from Klasa. This, the most passes either of the teams have strung together in this game. Len through with a chance on the left channel. Len has Soraisam for support. Len still saying he will go all the way. Len takes on Asito. Len again. Len goes past Asito and another Newmarket player. Len with a shot that is saved at the near post by Awonmi, and Newmarket cleared the lines. That is some exceptional piece of play by Len, but I think a few of his teammates will be mad because he didn't square the ball to him for them to tap the ball home into an empty net. But they come again. Hilem to Soraisam to Ronald with a beautiful tee through for Soraisam manages to keep the ball in, but it is a team effort, a team cross that Awonmi collects. Sinlo Kent now for Newmarket, back to Bernie to Asito's pass for Johnny, intercepted by Samananda. Bernie. Kent makes the run. Samananda plays it back to Amit. His pass intercepted by Asito brought down. He's looking for a foul, but referee says play on. Nithang now. Good delicate touch and a nice back heel for Hangleng. Sanaton charged down by Kemp, but Sanaton very cool with the clearance. Len cheered on by the players. Len again cleared by Kevisali. Now it's Hangleng. For Amit Amit. Poor pass in. Were intercepted by Asito. Hang Leng again. Now Nithang. Nithang. It's a disappointing attempt at the cross, and it's gone out straight for goal kick. Tempo of the match lacking a little bit. Both teams still not getting out of the traps as of yet. The pace of the game is still very slow at the moment. Orlando plays it back to his goalkeeper. Len now. Len takes on a few players before taking the shot on. It's a disappointing shot in the end again from Len. Has had a few chances, took on a few Newmarket players. We let Maisie run down the left flank a few minutes ago. Took another shot just a few seconds ago, and that shot again has had a few half chances. Should do more with those kind of chances, with those kind of shooting opportunities that he got. Soraisam now. Well defended by a combination of Bernie and Johnny. Johnny is still limping. Asito loses the ball. Now it's Tanachandra. Lent took the shot on, but it scruffs the shot again. It's blocked by Tavieko, and it's collected by Awanme. Klasa upping their momentum a little bit now. Rajkumar to Hang Leng. Hang Leng now out for Hilem. Hilem plays it back to Jim. Jim's ball intercepted by Tavieko. Kent. Hang Leng falls back to Kemp. Kemp tries to play it out wide for Kemp, who applies pressure on the back of Samananda. Samananda is looking for a foul, but Johnny wins a corner. He did shove Samananda at the back. Klasa will be livid with the decision if Newmarket can score from this corner. It will be Nithang who takes this. Yesung. Orlando is there at the far post, and the final touch came off Bernie, we think, who cannot keep his shot low from close range. That's another huge chance, huge opportunity that Newmarket have passed up again. 3 big chances in the opening half hour for Newmarket. No goals so far. Bernie intercepted by Kishan. Plays it to Ronalds. Ronalds for Soraisam. Soraisam to Len. Len to Soraisam again. Kishan. Back to Rajkumar Robin. Out again for Jim. Jim finds the run of Hilem. Hilem with a fantastic take, and that is 1-0 for Klasa. It is Len Haukip who finishes that wonderful cross from Hilem, but it is exceptional bit of play from Klasa, who worked the ball beautifully, and the take and pass by Hilem splits open the Kohima Newmarket's defense wide open, and in the end it is a simple tap in for Lunmin Len Haukip. It will be one of the easiest goals he scores in his career. So 30, almost 25 minutes into the game, and it is Klasa who, in spite of sitting back all throughout this first half, take the lead, courtesy of that beautifully worked team goal from Lunmin Len Haukip. Kohima looking to get back into the game very soon again. Newmarket wins throw-in. Johnny Kent. So we're seeing another one of those long throws. Again, Kent gets back as far as the crowd has to run. Finds Kemp, but did not have the power to direct that ball back into the box for the other Newmarket players. Kent to Johnny. Johnny back to Bernie. Bernie leaves it for Orlando. Orlando. Good turn. Bernie again. Bernie back to Orlando, the skipper. The skipper plays it all the way back to the goalkeeper Awami. Awami looking for Johnny, but it's intercepted by Samananta. Amit. Len, the goal scorer. Klasa have another free kick inside the Newmarket half, but they have a player down injured as Rajkumar stands with the ball, ready to take the free kick once Kishan, the vice captain, gets back up on his feet. Kishan is fine to continue, but he will have to leave the field of play for a few seconds because of the stoppage in play. Rajkumar Robin, the skipper for Klasa, to take this one. Rajkumar. Flat delivery in the end. Was not a shot, neither was it a cross. Goes out straight for a goal kick. Ishan enters the fray again. Shove on the back of, is it Kishan again? No, Ronald saw by the opposite number 9 Kemp. Samananda now for Klasa. Samananda for Soraisam. Soraisam tried to be a little too clever with Johnny, who was having none of it.
A breaking moment for the Newmarket FC fans as the Klasa is leading the match with a score of 1-0. In the first opening 10 minutes, we see a composed Newmarket giving 2-3 good attempt, but they were not able to capitalize the finishing touch. So now Klasa coming back to the game, and they are leading with a score of 1. I think it's high time for the Newmarket to recompose themselves how they were playing in the first 10 minutes. I think it is much needed that the Newmarket FC settle down a little bit, because I think they have lost their momentum.
They need to get their composure back again. Like you said, Klasa had only one chance but finished that one off, and they lead the game like that. But Newmarket had 3 amazing opportunities to get the lead themselves, but they find themselves trailing Klasa by that solitary goal. Nithang looking for a corner on the far end, but the referee points for a goal kick.
Newmarket FC they have lots of time to come back into this game, so they have to recompose themselves. How they were playing in that opening 10 minutes, I think they have lost their momentum, so they have to recompose again.
Losing momentum is one part, but Klasa are also upping their momentum, so
Yeah.
it will be hard for them to get back into the game, because Klasa at the moment are stringing a few good passes together. They are splitting the Newmarket shape with few incisive passing, and it was one of those passing exchanges between the Klasa players that led to the goal. But Newmarket looking to get back to level packing again. Nithang fouled by Jim.
In the pre-quarter match, Klasa outclassed a team from Imphal, Nako, with a margin of 1-0. They are into the quarter-final. They are playing against Newmarket FC. They are leading the match with a score of 1-0. If they win this particular match, they will play. They are into the semi-final, and they will play against a team, Trau, and it will be very interesting to watch the second semi-final.
Klasa cleared the lines once again. Orlando with a bit of a hurried clearance that is rescued very well by Nithang. Back to Hangling. Hangling for Sito. Now with Bernie again. Bernie for Johnny. Well defended by Soraisam.
We started the tournament with 10 teams, 4 from local team, 4 from clubs within the state of Manipur, and 2 teams outside the state. We are left with only 5 teams. 3 are into the semi-final. Now this is the match. This is the deciding match. Which team will go and play a semi-final clash, the second semi-final clash against the mighty Trau.
Kishan with a stray ball back to Samananda. A bit of a mix-up in communication between the two Klasa players. Newmarket very happy to win this throw-in. Will be Kent with what looks to be another long throw into the box. Kent. Sinlo Kent. It's a nice flick on by Kemp. Kemp saying he received a bit of a push at the back, but the referee, the assistant referee on the far side saying it's just part of the game. Samananda now clears for Klasa. Back in again by Newmarket. Soraisam coming back to help out. Soraisam comes out with the ball, plays it to Kishan. Kishan back to his skipper Rajkumar. Rajkumar.
A little push from the Newmarket FC defender.
Kevisali on Hilem. Jim. Ronaldo handled the ball. Tavieco strong, but it was a foul against Ronaldo. Anyway, for handling the ball. Newmarket will look to come again with this free kick. I want me to take this one.
Football loving fans from the nooks and corner of Ukhrul district are in silent mode right now. What can we do to bring that back a little bit livelier?
I think the game in itself is a little bit grey. I think it's been a little slow. The tempo has not been there. I think both the teams will need to try to get back a little bit more in the game.
I think a call from the Newmarket FC, a call from Newmarket FC. If they can level up, I think the crowd and the match will be more livelier to watch.
It is getting hot now. Bernie. Cleared by Thanajendra. Kent's beautiful take. Plays it back to Johnny. Johnny now. Back to Kent. Good left-footed footballer, Kent. Bernie down the channel. Blocked off his run by Samananda. Who has been very consistent in the Shirley League Cup so far. Good first half from him as well in this game. Kent again with a long throw in. Cleared by Amit. Bernie back to Kent again. Kent with a little step over and the ball in that is cleared by Amit. Now Thanajendra finds Hilem. Hilem gets too close on Tavieko. Hilem! Oof. The shot flashes off the far post, but it's good strength from Hilem to be able to rob Tavieko off the ball and to get that shot again. Multiple times he was nearly outmuscled by Tavieko, but in the end, even though he was so much smaller in stature, he was able to get past Tavieko and get a shot. The whole Kohima Newmarket team had their hearts in their throats, thinking that had gone into the back of the net again. Sanatron Singh now. Sanatron out wide for Rajkumar. Rajkumar Robin. Controlled game so far from Klasa. Now Len again through on goal, but Orlando concedes a corner kick. Soraisam on this corner for Klasa. Soraisam cleared at the near post, half cleared at the near post by Sinlo Kent. Fell to, I think it was Jim, but Jim had his chance over the crossbar. It's given back by the goalkeeper, and Hilem once again with another identical shot that flashes off the far post. I won't be very lucky to get away with that one. A stray ball to one of his defenders, well intercepted by Hilem. Hilem had time to take the shot, but took it first time and it flashes off the far post yet again. Now Kishan out for Soraisam. Soraisam for Ronalds. Nice one to between Soraisam and Ronalds. Soraisam is well shepherded out by Hang Leng. It's another bad attempts at clearing the ball by Awonmi, but Asito wins a free kick off Len Haukip. But Awonmi struggling to take the goal kicks so far. There again, another mistake by the skipper Orlando. Newmarket feeling a bit of a pressure here.
I think Newmarket FC have lost all their composers and momentum after that.
After conceding the goal from...
No. After the 10 minutes where they have made them three beautiful attempts. After that, they have lost everything.
It's not the Newmarket that we saw in the first 10 minutes of the game. The composure has not been anywhere near good from Newmarket so far. They lose the ball.
They have lost the touch. They are losing the ball very easily. The goalkeeper is giving the ball very easily. I think it's high time for the Newmarket to recompose themselves.
But games like this, you don't need to do anything else. Just do the basics right, and you'll get back into the game. But Newmarket really struggling to do that, to get the basics right. It is what it is, but it's
Klasa are playing a very comfortable football right now. They are doing some 1-2 good passes, few passes. Newmarket FC are not able to get back into the game. They haven't done any good strike after that 10 minutes. It's a worry for the Newmarket FC.
The coach for Newmarket FC will be hoping for the half-time whistle to blow very soon so that he can get back into the dressing room and shake things up a little bit. I believe he will be giving these players a bit of a rollicking, a bit of a hair-dryer treatment when they get back in for half-time. But hopefully they'll be hoping that it is with just one goal deficit that they go into half-time. We'll see about that with Klasa now.
This is very much needed for the Newmarket FC. They have given easily a corner again.
Yes.
So this is a problem for the Newmarket FC.
Saraisam. It's high and it's a good ball, but it's half cleared by Newmarket. Johnny plays it back to Hangling. Bernie clears. Kemp now. Newmarket can attack on the counter now, but it's another disappointing ball by Hanglen. But they win the throw-in anyhow. Hanglen again. Kevasili with a flat ball, flats parallel ball to Bernie, who concedes a needless corner once again. No composure from the Kohima team so far, from the team from Kohima so far. No composure from Newmarket so far, conceding needless corners after corners. They have to defend this corner again. 2 minutes of additional time added on, and this first half.
This is not the Newmarket FC that I was expecting after that 10-15 minutes.
All they have to do is
what has gone wrong with the Newmarket FC?
But all they have to do is to hold on for the next 2 minutes. Oh, but
that
is spilled again by the goalkeeper, and Orlando clears from the line, but the assistant on the far side says the ball had crossed the line. Sinlo Kent fighting with the referee there. It's poor goalkeeping and poor defending from Kohima. Newmarket from Kohima. And they find themselves 2-0 down at half-time. Sinloken, I think, will be going into the referee's books after that, after going up against the assistant on the far side. It was the assistant who spotted that the ball had crossed the line. He's very, very lucky. He's a lucky boy not to get away without any card from that one. But it's poor goalkeeping from the Newmarket goalkeeper, who spilled the ball, let it pass by between his legs and let the ball cross the line. So not the end of the first half that Newmarket were expecting. Referee still in talks with the assistant on the far side, Livingstone. I think Stone wants to say something to the referee. Yes, it is Sinlo Kent who gets into the referee's books for going up like that against the assistant referee. The central referee didn't spot it, but the assistant referee said, this player went up against me like that, you should give him a card, and the referee gives the player a card. We're back underway. Bit of a stoppage in play, but that is half time, and Klasa go into the break with a 2-goal cushion, courtesy of one stunning team goal that was finished by Lunmin Len Haukip, and another goal that was poorly conceded owing to some bad goalkeeping and bad defending from the Newmarket defenders. So half time, Klasa 2, Newmarket 0. We will come back with more action in the second half.
Hello. Mercifully said the sun we can young some gapan hina oglum le tem na sa khaira mali bhaira manurim na chana khashori malai
Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa, opposite Unique Kids Preschool, Hamlekong, Ukhrul. Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa, Bangalore branch. Salon Hilly, hair coloring, facial, hair spa, hair dressing, manicure, pedicure, bridal makeup, hair straightening, wax epilation, head massage, foot massage, full body massage, male and female separate Samia. Ukhrulli professional Salak Kahai, well-trained staff recruit Salaga, run Sadakle, Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa na. Arihon, Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa li, heavy Christmas offer Ladylay. Ralu, Ramiserlu, Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa li. For booking information, please call 9383 274 303 or visit us. Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa, opposite Unique Kids Preschool, Hamlekong, Ukhrul. Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa, Bangalore branch. Salon Hilly, hair coloring, facial, hair spa, hair dressing, manicure, pedicure, bridal makeup, hair straightening, wax epilation, head massage, foot massage, full body massage, male and female separate Samia. Ukhrulli professional Salak Kahai, well-trained staff recruit Salaga, run Sadakle, Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa na. Arihon, Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa li, heavy Christmas offer Ladylay. Ralu, Ramis.
Fourth quarterfinal game. Newmarket FC versus Klasa Reolaga Klasana 2-0 in the lead sadly. Competitive Salagina, Team Kanina, Talagina, Reo Midley, Yarritum Bingala, Players Pili, Tom Kasandran, Chanan Kamataina, Football with Spirit, Team Spirit Ilakina, Itumnala, Tommy say, Players believe this sudden Savai. Players begin to fight. Color, reason that way. Officers begin to fight. Masala. Ka spirit Batalagana. It's my jump from Taji. Such Taylor say organizing committee Lakina. It's both and psychology. Satakina a bill sign.
Apologies for the bit of a delay in the kickoff of the second half, but we are back underway. Klasa attacking the southern end of the pitch. They lead the tie with 2 goals. Kishan finds Len Haukip, the scorer of the first goal. Len Haukip takes the shot and takes the deflection. It's gone out. No deflection there. It's gone out for a goal kick.
This is all a part of the game, that the decision of the referee should not always go, or should always go to your favor also. Sometimes it's a part of the game. You never know what you have seen in this match, that a second call was awarded to Klasa.
Hopefully the controversy has has been settled. The controversy has been settled, and the game has been resumed, much to the spirit of the game, which is a good thing to see.
All the rules
Sean?
and regulations that we have laid down for this particular tournament has been given to all the team managers of the participating team. So it clearly mentioned that no complaint will be entertained during the match. It will be entertained only after the match.
Hopefully we'll have goal line technology in our place in the years to come, so as to avoid any of this kinds of controversy. But it is what it is at the moment.
It happens in the World Cup when Frank Lampard
scored against Germany. Yes.
Germany.
Was it a World Cup or a Euro Cup? I think
It was a World Cup. It was a World Cup.
Okay,
yeah.
against
It
Germany.
was a heartbroken moments for the
in the quarterfinal. No?
England fans.
Yes.
If Lampard would have scored that, but if that
If
goal
the
has
goal
was
had
been
been
awarded
awarded,
to
yes.
England, the match would be the changing point.
that would have been the
Yeah.
changing point
So-
of the match. It was a nice strike
Yeah.
on the half volley, hit the post, and then hit the inside of the goal, but it bounced out, and there was no goal line technology there.
So
then.
sometimes
Yeah,
the
sometimes
decisions
yes.
also went against, and sometimes it goes to your favor also. But that particular kick from Lampard was against him. So
There was also a particular instance between Chelsea and Liverpool. I think it was in the 2004-05 Champions League semi-final when Luis Garcia scored a goal. Famously, it is known as the Coast goal because people really don't know if it really crossed the line or not, but the referee awarded it. Chelsea fans are still to this day very angry about that goal, but Liverpool fans, they're very happy. They call it the
even the
Coast
England
goal.
fans
Yes.
remember
Yes.
that
Uh,
incident.
yes, so all this kind of things
So it
happen
will-
in games, yes,
yeah.
but you have to go along with it and hope that the technology will intervene very soon enough. Hang to Camp to Nethong. Nethong was looking for the run of Kent.
As a sign of development in the local tournament, we have introduced this year a live telecast in collaboration with the Tangkul Express. So in the coming years, hopefully we will have a VAR,
Goal
goal line
as
technology.
well. Yes, hopefully one step at a time. We wouldn't get too much ahead of ourselves.
With the coming of VAR, with the coming of the goal line technology, the match officials, the task of the referee has gone down tremendously. Now everything can be reviewed.
Johnny is down. He received an elbow to his face from Samananda. Samananda will be lucky not to get away with booking here. Well, of course it was unintentional from the left back, and he gets away with that one. Asito will look to make use of his excellent left foot with this free kick from about 35 yards out. There are a lot of Newmarket bodies inside the box. Asito, it's a good delivery on the far post. It's well cleared by Jim, sorry, the right back for Klasa, but it was a good delivery from Asito. Asito very much a dead ball specialist, and now Ronalds on the right channel. Ronalds finds Len, and it's a disappointing header in the end. It was a good cross from Ronalds, who had made an excellent run down the right flank, but in the end it was a disappointing header from Len, who scored the opening goal. Coming back to Newmarket, if they can win a few free kicks in the Klasa half, I think it will be good for them, because they have a very good free kick taker, dead ball specialist in Asito, and if they can make use of the strength that they have, it will be interesting to see how the game progresses. But now Len plays it out wide for Hilem. Hilem with the bandage strapping on his hand, cannot keep the ball in. It's gone out. Oh, there's a bit of a push and a shove there. This game is getting fired up at the moment. Hilem gets a booking for the foul on one of the Newmarket's players.
Organizing committee and Bill Sashon the playing.
Sito back to Orlando. Orlando looking long for Johnny. It will be intercepted by Samananda. Samananda gets a blatant shove at the back from Johnny. Kim has set it up a little bit.
Actually, look at the Kaohsiung Shirley Kapli, the organizing committee. The Tangkol Express collaborates live telecast YouTube. Some middle lane, show me that lane. Chain and soda. Grab Raslin Kumliva. VAR, video referee assistance. Kumuk Paisaura. Goal line technology. Kum Paisaura. China. It will be football fans.
Hangsing. To Asito. Asito cannot come out of the bodies of Klasa, but Newmarket wins it back. Out wide for Bernie. Bernie with the ball for Kemp. Kemp now. Back to Asito. Asito lays it out wide beautifully for Kent. Kent manages to keep the ball alive. Tries to take on Rajkumar, but tucked at the Klasa centre half and has conceded a foul. Nitung, it's a wonderful shot. Ooh, wonderful shot from Nitung. It really troubled Sanaton, but luckily for Sanaton, he had made the dive, and it just went inches off the near post of Sanaton. Sanaton feeling the effects, the after effects of that dive a little bit. Newmarket getting a strong foot back in the game. The cross by Kent is intercepted. Tanajendra on the break for Klasa, but it's won back by Johnny. Johnny, well played, good industrious play. Asito tried to look for the run of Kemp, but it's cut out by the Klasa defense. Hilem to Jim. Shepherds the ball out of play. Hilem now. Hilem. Sito out for Johnny. Johnny intercepted by Kishan. All the way back to Sanaton. Sanaton for Len. Len Koot. Flick on for Hilem. Hilem for Tanachandra. Tanachandra now. Tanachandra lays it inward for Kishan, who looked as if he was going to spray it wide for Samananta, but instead played it back to Amit, but Amit with the ball out for Samananta. Now Len again. Len. Hilem. Hilem taking on Hilem. Ooh, it's a wonderful shot that is well saved by the Newmarket goalkeeper Hilem, with the drop of the shoulder before taking the shot, and it was creeping in at a far post, but it's an outstanding save from the Newmarket goalkeeper to atone for the mistake that led to the second goal for Klasa. But Hilem with ample time to steady himself and take the shot. He should have been closed down earlier by one of the Newmarket defenders. It's a corner for Klasa. Low, goes all the way, flashes across the goal, and Newmarket conceded another corner. It's poor defending from Newmarket. Hilem to take this corner now. Another scruffed clearance from Kent. Kent and Hilem going muscle to muscle for the ball. Now Thanachandra escapes with the ball. Thanachandra, it's a good save from Awalmi once again. Few good saves from the goalkeeper in the second half. Tavieko out for Orlando. Orlando inward for Kemp. Kemp. It's looking for Johnny, but it's well intercepted by Samananta. The pace of the game has gone up a little bit, but it's erratic play from both teams to win the ball back and then give the ball back as immediately as they win it. Now Soraisam back to Samananta. Samananta all the way back to Amit. Klasa looking to recycle the ball again. Amit back to Rajkumar, the furthest outfield player back for Klasa. Rajkumar with a spray down the right flank for Hilem. Hilem lays it back for Thanachandra. Thanachandra lays it inward for Krishna. Krishna takes a shot. It's a tame one and it is straight at Awami. Awami. Johnny and Samananta, what a fight this has been in the second half. They have gone toe to toe, eye to eye for every ball that has been played on the right flank for Newmarket, the left flank for Klasa. Cleared by Amit. Orlando out for Bernie. Bernie with a loose touch. Back for Len. Len Haukip. Krishna. Krishna asking a lot from Hilem. He cannot keep the ball in. It's Kevi Saleh.
The 29th edition of the Shri Lily Cup national level football tournament. This tournament is powered by Samaran Maruti. They were the sponsor for the recently concluded Ukhrul District League that was organized in the month of April. So the organizing committee would like to thank the Samaran Maruti. They have an outlet in Ukhrul District. So Warangchan, if by any chance if you are planning to buy a car, I will request you to please go to the outlet and buy a Maruti car.
we
to
will
show
have
our
to see about
appreciation.
that. We'll have to see about
Yeah.
that. If Lutza can buy a car for me, I'd really appreciate that. Jokes aside, you don't have to go down to Imphal to get your brand new whatever Maruti car that you're looking for. You can get it right at your doorstep here at the Krul at Samaton, Maruti at Kamasom. So if you're looking to get a brand new car, you know where to look for. Back to the game. Amit out wide for Samaton. Sorry, Samananda. Good bit of
Samaton
marketing for
Sansananda.
Samaton. Yeah, Samananda. Kemp to Asito. A little too hurried. Was looking for a bent pass, but hit it with the laces, and it floated straight back to Sanaton Singh. Samananda, Samaton. Quite a tongue twister. Tavieco, it's bad clearance, but Pony comes back to save his blushes. Sito to Hang Leng for Newthong. Kemp now. Kemp falls down under the box, but Newmarket win the ball back. Now with Newthong. It is a disappointing shot in the end from the winger. Never got the ball in the strike that he was looking for, and hits it well over the crossbar.
Both him and Shillong Lachong FC has booked their berth for the first semi-final.
That will be played tomorrow.
That will be played tomorrow at 1 a.m. 1 p.m. Sorry, 1 p.m. So I think it will be Klasa taking against the Mighty Trau in the second semi-final if they win this match.
We still have
Yeah. But right now
more than
they're in their
25
driving
minutes
seat.
in the game.
Yeah,
and
they are in driving seat for the semi-final against the Trau.
But in football, 25 minutes is a lot, and Newmarket will also have plans to win the party for Klasa. We will see if they can pull off a major upset here.
I
Right,
wish
they
to
can.
see the Newmarket FC bouncing back in this second half.
Change imminent for Newmarket. Looks like Teja will be coming on. Kent. Teasing ball in. The glare of the sun was troubling the keeper a little bit, but Sanaton does well to catch a hold of that. Newmarket playing a little bit better in the second half. Kent to Kevisali back to Tavieco asking for the foul and gets it. So change now for Newmarket, and it will be Johnny who comes off and Teja who comes on. Lunminlen dispossessed by Asito. Now for Kevisali out for Kent. Kent asking so much from Kemp. Cleared by Jim. Jim to Len. Len on for Thanachandra. Thanachandra now. Hilem. Hilem. Back to Jim. Jim with a loose pass that is intercepted by Kent. Now with Nyathong. Nyathong. Drop off the shoulder. Passes it to Hang Leng, but it's a poor pass from Hang Leng, looking for Theja, who had just come on. Samananda comes away with the ball, plays it back to Amit. Amit now for Ronald. Ronald's dropping very, very deep indeed from his striker position. Kishan plays it out wide for Hilem. Hilem to Kishan, and Kishan asking Hilem to run. Too much of Hilem. It's gone out for a throw-in. Kent. Robin to Kishan. Asito got in between the ball and the man, but concedes a throw-in. Jim. Beautiful ball to find Thanachandra vying for the ball with a few Newmarket defenders, and Newmarket come away with a throw. Hang Jing cleared by Asito. Camp has the run on Samananta, but Samananta plays it back to Sanaton. Sanaton out for Amit. Amit for Soraisam. Soraisam feeds Ronaldo down the channel. Ronaldo kissed the crossbar as it went out for a goal kick. Nice attempts from the striker there. Keeper was ready to spot. Didn't get the power to get the bend or the tip on that ball. If he had gotten more power on that, it would surely have bent enough to creep in at the far post. Now Nyathong can't. Cleared by Amit. Kishan is back. Jim now. Jim back to Kishan. Kishan. Well intercepted by Theja. One back, goes back to Kishan again. Kishan with a loose ball that is intercepted by Theja, but Samananda wins it back. Samananda. Well won back by Hang Leng. Hang Leng all the way back to his goalkeeper. Soraisam. Soraisam out on the left flank for Samananta. It's cut out by Bernie, who concedes the throw-in. Samananta has space to put a cross in, but a corner will do for Klasa. We're seeing a more interesting, more intense second half so far.
Yeah, Newmarket FC has come up a little bit comparing with the first half they have displayed. But
Soraisam with a high ball in. It's
an out.
It's
an out.
Oh, yes, the ball went out of play before it came back into play again. So assistant on the far right side of,
as all the local teams, the 4 local teams who have bowed out of this tournament, you can see the fans in the silent mode. If Newmarket FC can bounce back in this second half, we'll see the fans roaring out for Newmarket FC.
2 changes upcoming for Klasa as well. It will be Joan and Rakesh coming on. For who? We will have to find out. In the meantime, Asito for Newmarket on the ball. Asito for Tavieco. Tavieco puts a lofty ball inside the box for Kemp, but Sanaton comes out to clear. So it will be Hilem making way for Joan. And Rakesh will be coming on for Jim. So Joan and Jim comes off. Rakesh. So Hilem and Jim comes off. Rakesh and Joan comes on. Kemp. Another change upcoming for Newmarket. Gideon, a striker, coming on. But Kemp here cannot get at the ball. Sanaton coming off his lines to take the ball off the toes of Kemp, who was thrown goal. A little bit of a heavy touch from the striker that took it away from his spots. Teja to Hangleng. Hangleng to Kemp. Kemp maneuvers the ball beautifully. Here's Asito, and it's another heavy touch there by Newthang. But Asito's teammates asking why he didn't take the shot on himself instead of passing it to Newthang. Asito with a good sight of goal there. But Newmarket slowly coming back into the game. So they will make the change now, and it is a very, very positive change. Hangleng, midfielder, making way for Gideon, a striker. Teja finds the run of Gideon, who's just come on. Gideon with a beautiful take. Gideon stalls his run a little bit. Gideon, it's a disappointing shot in the end from the striker that has just come on. Klasa come away with the ball. Kishan is fouled by Newthang. The players are livid with the referee because they felt Kishan went down without any contact from Newthang, but referee says it was a foul, and the decision of the referee will have to stand no matter what. Then Haukip, a wide for Saraisam. Saraisam back to Samananta. Saraisam again. Saraisam puts the ball in. Tanajendra is there. It's cleared by Kent. John plays it back to Rakesh. Now with Tanajendra. Tanajendra crosses and finds Ronald, but Ronald cannot find the touch to slot home from just outside the penalty box. It was a good chance from 13 yards out, but Ronald didn't get the contact that he was looking for. Amit, marauding run all the way from the centre half slot. Another change for Klasa, and it will be Johan coming on for Kishan, who's had a good game. Saraisam, beautiful switch for John. John now. John. Cut out by Newmarket defender, and Rakesh cannot keep the ball in. John to Johan. Johan plays it out wide for Rakesh. So 3 fresh legs on the right flank for Klasa, and John. Johan with a shot from inside the box. It's straight at the goalkeeper. So it looks like Klasa are targeting the left flank of Newmarket, because it is 3 fresh players who have come on, and they're all playing on the right wing against the left back of Newmarket. Here's the left back, Kevisale, to Sinlo Kent. Kent can't lose ball, intercepted by John. Thanachandra finds Lunmin and Haukip. Lun and Taviako going for the ball. It's cleared by Orlando. It's a corner kick for Klasa. "15 minutes for Klasa to see out this game and seal their spot in the semi-finals." Well, it's just 15 minutes for Newmarket to find any kind of consolation or to come back at all in this game.
Green tea, lemon tea, cha, cake, kirahi, Yaramira, Chena, Camp Fundraising of Dom Sada, Natumna, come on me, Kashamilo, Colomilo, Jihi, Chitay Midale.
John, all the way into the box. Cleared by
main entrance. Main entrance in the Zanaka,
back to
Yashong.
Samartana.
Right,
Samaranta.
Medical
Samaranta
Department,
goes down with an early contact. Teja now, running front goal. Teja
Chena,
had 2
Kajikithana,
players that he
Covid
could have
vaccine
passed,
mukhiram
but
dale
took on the shot
K.
and
Tuena
much to
Zangaka,
the frustration of his
Yashong
teammates.
Changchili,
Teja, a little bit of
Medical
selfish play
Department
there
Ukru
from
Shongaina,
Teja. He didn't get a
Covid
good
vaccination put
side of goal.
Chena,
He was under pressure
vaccine,
from a
Covid
few
vaccine mukhiram
Klasa
dale
players, but
Chili Rakumi Paira.
he took the shot anyway. And his teammates are very, very angry with him with that. Jean now. Asito come away with the ball. Nyathang to Kemp. Kemp to Asito. Asito looks for the run of Teja. Teja with a try to thread the ball for Kemp with his first touch, but didn't get the purchase that he was looking on with his pass, and it's straight at Sanaton. Sito back to Bernie. Nyathang now. Tavieko out wide for Bernie. It's a good ball. Bernie. Asito with a support run. Asito loses the ball. Soraisam now for Klasa. To Johan. Johan. His pass intercepted by Orlando. Teja now. Teja finds Kemp. Kemp comes over with the ball still. Goes all the way back to Orlando. Orlando sprays it to Newton. It's a beautiful pass to find the run of Kemp, but Kemp once again should have taken that shot in the first bounce. He let the ball bounce for a second time, and when it did bounce for the second time, the goalkeeper was already there to clean up the chance for Klasa, but that is a disappointing passage of play from Kemp. He should have taken that shot first time. Ronald to Thanachandra. Thanachandra goes past a few players out wide for Soraisam. Soraisam cuts back. Shemis turns. Soraisam looking for Jonah at the far post. It's a corner for Klasa, but it will not come before Newmarket make the change. Interestingly, change in the goalkeeping position. Raju Sito comes on, and Sito, the midfield talisman for Newmarket, also comes off, and it is Mezizotto Tetso who comes on for Asito. Tejana, well intercepted by Samananda. Samananda with space to run into. Samananda is fouled by Teja, and Klasa have a free kick in a very dangerous position. Just 8 minutes to go in this game, and Soraisam standing over the ball along with Ronalds. If this is 3-0, it will be game over for the side from Nagaland.
So tomorrow we will see the first semi-final of the tournament that will be played between the Shillong Lagong FC versus Noble Mountain Kapam, the defending champion of 2011 edition of Shillong Lily Cup. If Klasa win this match, they will face the Mighty Trout in the second semi-final of the tournament. Let's hope and see how the Newmarket FC will come back in the second half.
That's all. Intercepted by John.
The first semi-final of this tournament will be played between Anoba Imagi Mga Kabam, the defending champion of the 2011 Shiri Lily tournament. They will play against the Lachong FC. If Klasa wins this match, they will face the Mighty Trout in the second semi-final of the tournament. Let's hope and see how the Newmarket FC will bounce back.
They have only
in
5 minutes in
This
the
last
game
five minutes of the match.
to give
They
themselves
have
a chance at
to level up the
back.
game. They have to score 2 goals,
It is a big
and
ask.
we'll see the second tiebreaker of the tournament. But that's a mighty task to be
Asking from Newmarket at the moment because they have a corner, they have a free kick to defend here. Samananda looks like Sims who will be taking this free kick for Klasa. Samananda goes for goal. Nearly another mistake from the goalkeeper who has just come on, but
the
he
goalkeeper
collects.
of Newmarket FC can't take the chance to make a silly mistake again. Again. That was a bull from the Newmarket FC.
Tanajendra. Free kick taken quickly by Klasa. That's so. Rakesh back to Rajkumar. Now with Johan. Johan. Out wide for Rakesh. Rakesh for John. John. Lays it down for Susairam. Susairam plays it back to John. John at the near post. It's cleared, but it's scored in at the rebound by Tanachandra. And that will be game over. Tanachandra Singh with a third goal for Klasa. Good follow-up shot after that shot from Johan came off the upright. Tanachandra,
You can see the disappointment in the local fans as they are leaving the ground after that goal. Now the Klasa is leading the match with a score of 3-0.
3-0, no way back, just 3 minutes to go.
Yeah.
But Tanachandra, like a fox in the box, he was the most alert on the rebound. There were a few Newmarket defenders there, but Tanachandra the quickest to get to the rebound off that shot of Johan, and he had an empty net to slot in the third goal, and I believe that will be the winning goal.
And with that score that they have just scored just now, I think that Klasa have booked the ticket for the second semi-final clash against Trau.
That's all. Looking to play it out wide for Deja, but
The highest
cleared by
attendance
Samananta.
of
Now.
the football fans so far.
Len Haukip again. Len Haukip has the pace, and it is a beautiful, scintillating goal. What an amazing finish that is from the Klasa winger. It's a brace for Lunmin Len Haukip, and what a goal to seal off. Cherry topping on this performance by Klasa. Wonderful, wonderful brace with the outside of his foot. The keeper was rooted to his spot. And it is game over. Good night for Newmarket FC. An excellent, excellent praise from Lunmin Len Haukip. So we were hoping for a high-scoring game, and we have got a high-scoring game. The first team to score more than 2 goals, 3 goals in a single match in this tournament so far. Klasa scoring 4. They will make their final change now. Tanachandra, the scorer of that third goal, coming off, and Lungwartam coming on for Klasa. Rajkumar back to
So the ticket,
Amit.
the ticket for the semi-final berth is confirmed.
It is confirmed now.
Confirmed for Klasa, as they will take on
The mighty
the
Trau.
mighty Trau on the 2nd December at 1 p.m. at Dikrul headquarters. The second semi-final of the tournament. The first semi-final tournament will be played between Aim Kapam versus Shillong at Lachong FC at 1 p.m. tomorrow.
Nisang out wide for Kent. Kent taking on Jean. Kent plays it back to Nyasang. Nyasang plays it out wide for Techa. Techa now taking on Samananta. Techa puts the ball in the box by Gideon instead of heading, directing his header.
I was hoping
towards the
for a
goal.
consolation call for Newmarket FC.
But that was a
At
good
that
chance
moment,
for
that was a
Gideon.
good chance. Yeah.
Yes, but instead of heading it towards goal, he headed it wide of the far post and it went out straight for a goal kick.
The final touch
the final finishing touch was the problem for this Newmarket FC.
That's been the big problem for
Yeah.
Newmarket. And this
If
whole
they could have
game,
scored a goal in the first 10 minutes, where they have got three beautiful
two
chances,
exceptional chances, yes.
then the match would have been totally different. As they were not able to capitalize the chances that they got in the first 10 minutes, Klasa coming back to the game with better strategy. Newmarket FC lost all the momentum of the match.
But in the end, I think Klasa have been a better team overall in this game, over the whole of 90 minutes, because we have been seeing spells of Newmarkets, good spells, bad spells, but Klasa have been consistent so far. Newmarket, as we discussed in the first half, they were exceptionally good in the first 10 minutes. They quietened down a little bit. They were very, very poor after that, and at the start of the second half they were good again, but they have become very, very tepid again, conceding 2 silly goals.
It's a
in
big
the
blow
later
for
stages of the
it's a big blow
second
for the Newmarket FC, as they have conceded 4 goals, 2 goals in the first half and 2 goals in the second half.
2 goals in quick succession in the second half towards the end of the 90 minutes. It looks like fitness levels of the Klasa players are also much more than that of the Newmarket players. Most of the Newmarket players now struggling to get a good sprint. Tavieco to Kent. And that is the full-time whistle. Klasa running out as 4-0 winners, with thanks to a wonderful praise from Lunmin Len Haukip, a goal from Thana Chandra Singh, and an own goal from a Newmarket goalkeeper in the first half. It ends Klasa 4, Newmarket 0, and Klasa will be meeting Trau Football Club in the semi-final on the 2nd of December. We will see you all tomorrow when Shillong Lajong takes on AIM, the defending champions, in the first semi-final of the 29th edition of the Sherry Lily Cup. Thank you.
Oi. Lakbra.
Rajkumar, a very convincing 4-0 victory over Newmarket Kohima. How good was the match?
So the match ngasi yamna difficult oye match to the ground su ngasi ke sanam do kara ngasi de khara nungai re ground do koi adjust tawbo ngame kara nungai ball do
How happy or how confident are you to take on Trau in the semi-final?
Chaus dum kaya ni muju dum alik timina dum fajana sana kani ako jo alik tim ako jo alik timina dum preparation tarago bol sana kani ado mogi player ako mogi tim da koi ai friend yam nawe kasi bol ki kasi di khande dum ako jo yenga dum bol sana kani sukta.
Okay, all the best in the 90 minutes that you take on against Trau. Even if you have all your friends there, it will count to nothing. It will be just to win the game. All the best for the semi-final. Now, for Lunmindan Haukip scored an excellent praise. Tell us a little bit about that second goal. You saw the keeper off the line.
Thank you. First of all, thank you for the question. Actually, they are strong enough, but then I have trust on me.
Confidence,
how to say? Yes, I have confidence on
yourself,
myself.
yes.
So I just take the ball from
the middle of
the half. I mean, from the corner and just bring in us. That's what it.
It was a sensational goal, I believe, one of the best goals we've seen in the tournament so far. All the best to you and your team for the semi-final.
Thank you.
We'll see you.
Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa, opposite Unique Kids Preschool, Hamlekong, Ukhrul. Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa, Bangalore branch. Salon Hilly, hair coloring, facial, hair spa, hair dressing, manicure, pedicure, bridal makeup, hair straightening, wax epilation, head massage, foot massage, full body massage, male and female separate Samia. Ukhruli professional Salak Kahai, well-trained staff recruit Salaga, run Sadakle, Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa na. Arihon, Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa li, heavy Christmas offer Ladylay. Ralu, Ramiserlu, Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa li, For booking information, please call 9383 274 303 or visit us.